They whisper on my pillow, leave the winter on the ground. I wake up lonely, this air of silence in the bedroom, you know all around. Touch me now, I close my eyes and dream away. It must have been love, but it's over now. It must have been good, but I lost it somehow. It must have been love, but it's over now. From the moment we touch to the time that run out. Make believe it, we're together. Then I'm sheltered by your heart, but in outside I turn to water like a teardrop in your heart. And it's a hard winter's day, I dream away. It must have been love, but it's over now. It was all that I wanted, now I'm living without. It must have been love, but it's over now. And it's where the water flows. It's where the wind blows.
Well done, girl.
Honestly, you've got such a stunning. Is it vibrato it's called? I'm not a singer. Yeah. So your voice, it is stunning. My cousin, Bella's sister, she got that and she got that. She got the vibrato. It is stunning. I really enjoyed it. Well done, babe. What am I? Zoe.
Yeah, that was definitely my favourite performance of yours yet. It was so pretty, and like I didn't write nothing until just now when you stopped singing. I was like, it's over. I was like, oh, I panicked a bit. Yeah, I couldn't take my eyes off it. It was really captivating, and like Sam just said, the little vibratos, and when I'm not gonna sing it, but like when you did it was over now. Yeah, it really stood out, and it was really beautiful. I really enjoyed it. So well done.
Thank you.
Thanks, Zoe.
Yeah, I'm so glad Joey changed the song and gave you this one, because stripped back, your voice is so beautiful. It really is. It's so lovely, and it's such an emotional song. And I love the fact that you just didn't overcomplicate it. You kept it really quite simple, and that made it really easy to feel the emotion. There were parts in that where I thought you were actually going to cry. There was that. It was that raw. I think you've really done yourself proud tonight, Tash. That was absolutely amazing. Exactly where you should be with your voice.
Thanks, Zoe.
Tash, I mean, I know everyone's got their own opinion now, but I thoroughly think for you personally on your journey, that deserved a full standing ovation then, because last week I was really hard on you, and I was sat there, and a couple of them said to me, Joe, you don't have to repeat yourself, just say, but it was, for me, like I said to you, and you look back yourself, and you watch and you said, do you know what, Joe, I could have done a lot better there. And that's what I said. So for anybody in the room and thing, you know, they can say whatever they want. You know, I'm here to give an opinion, and when you watched it back, you saw exactly what I was on about. This was the complete opposite other side. It was so crisp, it was so clean, you didn't overdo it, you didn't overcook it. Your pitch, everything was exactly where it needed to be. It was so pretty, it was, Tash, you know, and that's where I feel like you need to be. Don't feel like you've got to do everything all the time.
Yeah.
Obviously make it your own, you know, and things like that, like this then. But don't feel like you've got to put too much pressure. And I feel like you've come into this tonight, and I think last week, I'm glad it happened, because I feel like it put that pressure to give you a kick to say, what am I doing? Like, what am I doing? Let me sort myself out. And this was 100 times better. And I don't think it was better than last week. I think it's your best performance this season. Honestly, hands down. Well done.
Thanks, Joe. Big round of applause.